Guten Morgen. Willkommen zur Lektion 4. In this lesson, we are going to talk about asking questions in German. Our focus will be on W-Fragen. Let us start with wie, which means how. Here are some common examples. Wie heißt du? What is your name? Without taking wie as how, why we said wie heißt du? What is your name? Next, wie geht's? How are you? Wie alt bist du? Wie alt bist du means how old are you? Next we have wo. Wo means where. Here are some few examples. Wo wohnst du? Where do you live? Wo bleiben Sie? Where do you stay? Woher kommst du? Where are you from? Wohin gehst du? Where are you going? Now let's look at wann, which means when. Wann reisen wir ab? That means when are we leaving? Wann kommst du? When are you coming? Next, wann hast du Geburtstag? When is your birthday? The next question word is where, which means who. Wer kann mir helfen? Who can help me? Where is das? Who is that? Danke, bis bald.